this is ScareBoy24 and welcome back to Amateur Surgeon. We are currently operating on Eddy the dog. Yes, it's weird to call a person a dog, but apparently he calls himself a dog. Come on, I knew there was a chip in here somewhere. Where's the chip? Come on. I thought that's where I was cutting. Okay. So apparently we need to cut these out and extinguish the flames by using blood. One of the stupidest things I've seen in this game so far. But hey. They apparently use an Etch-a-Sketch to find hidden objects, so maybe this isn't the stupidest thing I've seen in this game. Okay, let's heal him up. There. Okay, so we need to get... Oh, come on! There. I'm good with these tools. I'm a doctor, I know best. I'm not a real doctor, but... you know what I mean. There, okay. If you hear any background noises, that's because my stupid cat is clanking around in the background somewhere. You can hear him licking on plastic bags or something. There's another person here who calls himself a cat, then I'm done for. Is there another cut? Oh wait, yes there is. That's where I used the corkscrew. Dang it. Okay. Hang on a second. I gotta cut the camera out for a second. Okay, sorry about that. Just need to do something. So, oh great. Yeah, we have to use the chainsaw. My favorite tool. At least with the corkscrew, I'm good at it now. Is that everything? Yep. Oh man, thanks. You know, have you guys ever considered considered going upscale? Maybe moving to the city? Oh no, I much prefer the quiet life. But Doc, I think what we can do. There'd be loads more interesting stuff in the city. I said no, Alan! And I still need more practice. When moving to the city, Alan, you're a very terrible... You're a very talented young man. In fact, you remind me of the student I once had. Really? You mentioned a student before. What happened to him? Or was it a her? Never mind. Listen to me, Alan. You said you wanted my help. Fine, I will help you. But all I want is a quiet life here. Out of the way. Is that clear? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's clear. Alright. Jack. Alright? Oh, what voice should I give this guy? Okay. I know. Hello, lads. I've come into some right nice organs recently. What is going on with my voice when I try reading this? Seeing as my own heart's a bit rickety, I was hoping you could do me some swaps, like in return, and I'll see you get all the juicy organs a budding young surgeon could need. Look at the tubes on that. Glistening they are. Let's do it. Man, I thought I had bad English. Alright, so organ transplant? Let me guess. Oh boy, we need to use the chainsaw. What luck. Alright. At least it's not in a square, so maybe it'll help. Oh, there we go. That's easy. See, this is way easier than junk. Or Guts, I think his name was. Wait, do I? Yeah, I do that. And put the organ in. Wait, how am I doing here? I think maybe 4 minutes? I almost changed on that again. Alright, still doing good. So, wait a second, I thought he said his heart was a bit rickety. Why am I doing his kidneys? We're just doing this as extra work or something? Does it really matter? I think it should, but hey, what do I know? Just a kid. I'm just a kid doctor. Alright, heart I'm supposing. Nope, it's his lungs, and those do not look healthy. Okay, these are a bit bigger than the kidney. But I still got it. There we go. There we go, simple. This is a lot easier than Guts. God, give me a second. Alright, so where were we? Right, we're replacing this guy's organs. One at a time, it appears. Wait, are we just slicing them in half? Looks like we're slicing them in half. I mean, there's not a problem with that, but... Wait a second, what if I do it on the bones? Will that do anything? Will that cut into them? I can't tell. God, this is so hard to control just because of the shaky camera. And that's not me moving the camera, that's actually in the game. Alright. Let's do this. Let's get this over with. Okay, putting them in double times. Okay, so you can stop using the lighter and all that, and the lines will stay. But no, if you work with the chainsaw, it's a completely different story. There we go. Perfect. There. We're gonna leave your heart beating at a good old 6 beats per minute. There's the beat per minute things there. Nice job, lads. Tell me though, a place like this is hardly fitting for chaps like you, isn't it? There's plenty of work in the city, haven't you heard? Some nut job starting running around mailing folks. Terrible it is. Doc, did you hear what that guy said? The city needs us. I don't want to be a pizza boy forever. And one day I want to have my own surgery. For real. Please. And what about you? Surely you must find something better for yourself. I need to think. I'm going for a walk. Hey, wait, dog. Okay, well, apparently the dog's leaving us alone. Ooh, Horrace. Do we have enough time for this guy? Yeah, what the heck, might as well. Man, I can't believe the doc left me on my own. What if some more nutcase comes in? Bonjour. What kind of voice was... Wait a second, why don't we do it a bit deeper? Bonjour, I am Horrace. You are the pizza boy who operates with a spoon? Pizza car, actually. Take up your spoon, child. I will be most interested in what you find within me. Okay. Alright. Why do we need the car battery all of a sudden? Are we shocking things? Oh, jeez! Okay. I just murdered a man and then brought him back to life. That could have gone better. Okay. it seems normal so far. Although I'm pretty sure this guy has a kink to him like all the others do. He's not just full of cuts, is he? I mean, sure, something had to make those cuts. There we go. Oh, okay, this is new. Bugs. Okay, I shocked him and then brought him back to life constantly. I shocked him and then brought him back to life. He's a zombie now, I think. How long is this video gonna be? I don't even know. I start a new video every single time. Alright, don't die on me. Well, I can bring him back to life just once it hits 0. There we go. Oh yeah, this is a... Why does it leave a cut? I know it's a corkscrew, but can corkscrews actually leave cuts? What am I saying? Of course I can. Bug 0. Amateur 1. When am I gonna do a video where I like just show off exactly who Amateur is? Although I'm gonna need to borrow a bunch of tools like this. Alright. More bugs, I presume. Alright. Why does the game keep lagging? Alright, bug time. Alright, if I'm positive there's... Yep, that looks like a hive. And it is a hive. So, I remember... Yeah, I shocked the hive. There we go! That was easy. That was one of the easiest surgeries yet. Was there another cut somewhere? Is there another hive? Yes, there is. Okay. What? I'm cutting around where it said. Okay. No, carberry. Wait for that to move. Got it. There's another one. Why doesn't it just show all 3 of them? 3 of them. Damn. Oh boy, that's a lot of bugs. Okay, that could have gone better. Okay, finally. What was he doing with bugs inside of his chest? More importantly, how did he not complain that they were crawling around inside of him? If I had bugs inside of me, I would be scared to death. Wait, just one more time. I had to. Alright. You were full of weird bugs, but I think I killed them all. Do you know, the brighter and more beautiful the creature, the more extravagant and excruciating its poison. Okay, well that's great. Off you go now. No. Hey you, I'm looking for someone. That was a terrible woman voice, I'm sorry. She's hot. Listen, whoever you're looking for, I think it might be me. Blah. I wanted the surgeon. Goodbye. Hey, wait! Stupid uniform. How can anyone recognize me as a master surgeon when I'm wearing this thing? Man, where's that doc again? I hope he's not off another cough syrup bender. Oh yeah, he was a cough syrup addict. Forgot about that. And walked out in front of a car again. Alan, I've been thinking. We should go to the city. Ha! Great! This just my day for good news. Jeez. Just reading this is making my English bad. And there was this really beautiful girl here just now. She was looking for the surgeon. Ha! I guess she didn't realize she found him. Woo! A girl? Goodness. No, it can't be. Never mind, let's get the show on the road. Big city, get ready for the Alan probing of a lifetime. The Alan probing of a lifetime, my goodness. Okay, that was slightly disturbing. Oh crap, what did I just do? Well that was the complete Act 1. And apparently to play Act 2 I need to go on a different website. So, yeah, that was Amateur Surgeon. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next episode, where, hopefully I can get Act 2 up and running. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.